Hello guys, welcome. We have this question from PCE 2001 question 24, which I believe is important for those preparing for JAM, waec, and even the Mass Olympiad. Now the question reads as follows: if the determinant of the matrix Q is equal to the determinant x plus 4, x plus 1, x minus 1, and is equal to 2, then the matrix Q is. Quickly in solving this, we write solution. Next, we know that in solving this, we are going to apply the determinant principle to find the value of x. Then we'll substitute that value of s into our matrix in order for us to get the required matrix Q. Now we proceed by copying out what we'll be given. We'll have the determinant of the matrix x plus 4, x plus 1, then we'll have x minus 1 is equal to 2. Next, we cross multiply. So we're going to have brackets open, x plus 4, bracket close, times, or brackets open, x minus 1, bracket close, minus x, bracket open, x plus 1, bracket close, is equal to 2. Next, we open our bracket, so we have x times x gives us x squared. X times minus 1, we have minus x. Plus 4 times s gives us plus 4x. Plus 4 times minus 1, we have minus 4. Let's remove this way, and we have x minus x times x, we have minus x squared. Minus x times plus 1, we have minus x is equal to 2. Quickly, we collect like terms. So we'll have x squared. We'll cancel out minus x squared. We're left with minus x plus 4x minus x. This will give us 2x. And lastly, we're left with minus 4 equal to 2. Next, minus 4 moves to the other side of our equal to. So we have 2x is equal to 2 plus 4. This becomes 2x is equal to 6. The next thing we do is that we divide both sides by 2. Divide both sides by 2. So we have 2 cancel 2, 2 cancel 6. We have x to be equal to 3. Now, since we've gotten a value for x, recall that we have been asked to find the matrix Q. Hence, we proceed to impute a value for x into the matrix that we're given. Therefore, what this implies is that Q is equal to, bracket open, in place of x now we put 3. So we have 3 plus 4, and we have 3. Then we have 3 plus 1. Then we have 3 minus 1, bracket close. This gives us bracket open. 3 plus 4, we have 7. We have 3. 3 plus 1, we have 4. Then 3 minus 1, we have 2, bracket close. Therefore, it means that our matrix Q is equal to, bracket open, 7, 3, 4, 2. Thank you.